3,600 Balcones is an architectural masterpiece which highlights the special features that the tranquil lot has to offer. Set on an eighth of an acre, the limestone and stucco house wraps around the pool area and stream in the back of the house. The magnificent setting is reminiscent of a lush resort, which beckons one to sit back and enjoy the beauty of the outdoors. Extensively remodeled in 2008, the superior finishes will delight even the most discriminating buyer. And this home features 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, plus guest apartment, and the floor plan is versatile enough to meet the needs of most families. The house is built around the outdoor spaces. An outdoor sitting area rests beneath the formal dining area. A terrace with outdoor kitchen and dining sits just off the kitchen, and there's a full covered cabana by the pool. The dramatic 2-story entry opens on one side of the game room with warm finishes, wood-mantled fireplace, wet bar, travertine floors, and a wall of doors leading out to the beautiful pool. There's an elevator also on the property, which allows for easy access to the main level, or upon entering the home, one can take the sweeping staircase up the formal living room, which is adjacent to the beautiful window-lined dining room. The home is replete with windows allowing for ample natural light and views to the enchanting setting. The gourmet kitchen features a large center island, French country distressed-style cabinets, and a copper vent hood and brick-like floor tiles add to the vintage feel of the kitchen. The room is decked out with 2 ovens, a 5-burner gas stove, a copper farm sink, sub-zero refrigerator, and separate freezer and refrigerator drawers. The master retreat is functional yet elegant. It features its own sitting area, which has French doors opening to the backyard and a fireplace. The master bath is done in green marble, surrounding the his and her sinks and the large tub and shower. It has 2 large walk-in closets, one with a hidden safe room and the other with a cedar closet. The study has richly finished bookshelves, crocodile-embossed leather walls, and French doors opening to the exterior. Other unique features to the home are a spacious basement with tons of storage space, multiple fireplaces, wine drawers, high-beam ceilings, and a separate guest apartment. 3,600 Balcones, offered by luxury agent Francie Little.